Hello and thank you for taking the time to learn about calcium oxalate kidney stones and the crucial role diet plays in preventing their formation. This guide aims to help you understand the types of kidney stones, their causes, and how dietary changes can help prevent them. Let's delve into the topic. Starting with a basic question. What are kidney stones? Kidney stones are solid masses made of crystals that originate in your kidneys. The most common type of these stones is composed of calcium, with calcium oxalate and calcium phosphate being the two primary variants. This guide will focus on calcium oxalate stones, their causes, and dietary steps to reduce your risk of developing them. Step 1. Increase fluid intake. One of the most effective ways to prevent kidney stones is by staying well hydrated. Crystals are less likely to form in diluted urine, so aim to drink 2 to 3 liters, about 8 to 12 cups, of fluid daily. Water should constitute at least half of this intake. Other suitable beverages include milk, coffee, tea, and juice, though you should limit fruit juice and black tea to 1 serving each per day. Avoid drinks like chocolate milk, hot chocolate, almond milk, carrot juice, and cranberry juice, as they may increase your risk of stone formation. Strive to produce 2 liters of urine per day, ensuring your urine is pale in color. Drink more water in hot weather or during physical activity, and consult your doctor if you have conditions requiring fluid restrictions. Adding lemon to your water can increase citrate in your urine, which helps prevent stones. Increasing fluid intake is not just about drinking water. It's about making conscious choices to ensure you're staying hydrated throughout the day. Consider setting reminders on your phone or using a water tracking app to monitor your daily intake. Additionally, carry a reusable water bottle with you to make it easier to sip regularly. Flavored water or herbal teas can also be a great way to increase fluid intake without the monotony of plain water. When exercising, always have a water bottle nearby and take small sips frequently rather than waiting until you're thirsty. Infusing water with fruits like berries, cucumber, or mint can make it more appealing and encourage you to drink more. Remember that certain activities like flying, spending time in air-conditioned environments, or consuming caffeine and alcohol can dehydrate you, so adjust your fluid intake accordingly. If you find it challenging to drink large amounts of water, try consuming hydrating foods like watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges, which contribute to your overall fluid intake. Step 2. Limit sodium intake. Reduce your sodium intake to less than 2,000 milligrams, less than 1 teaspoon, per day. High sodium levels increase the amount of calcium in your urine, raising the risk of stone formation. To cut down on sodium, choose fewer processed and canned foods. Avoid deli meats and high-salt cheeses, and limit fast food. When dining out, request that your meal be prepared without added salt. Season foods with herbs, spices, lemon juice, or salt substitutes instead. Reading food labels can help you select low-sodium options, with a daily value of 5% or less considered low. Reducing sodium intake can significantly impact your overall health, not just in preventing kidney stones but also in lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Start by gradually reducing the salt you add to your food to allow your taste buds to adjust. Experiment with different herbs and spices to add flavor without relying on salt. For instance, garlic, onion powder, paprika, cumin, and fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley can enhance the taste of your dishes. Opt for fresh or frozen vegetables instead of canned ones, which often contain added salt. When buying packaged foods, look for those labeled low sodium or no salt added. Preparing meals at home gives you complete control over the ingredients, so cook from scratch as much as possible. Be mindful of condiments like soy sauce, ketchup, and salad dressings, which can be high in sodium, and look for low-sodium alternatives. If you find it difficult to cut back on salt, consult a dietitian who can help you create a personalized meal plan that meets your needs. Step 3. Reduce animal protein. A high-protein diet from animal sources can increase your risk of kidney stones. Limit the intake of meat, fish, poultry, and eggs to 2 servings a day, with 1 serving being about 2.5 ounces, 75 grams, roughly the size of a deck of cards. Opt for plant-based protein sources like lentils, beans, and legumes instead. Reducing animal protein doesn't mean you have to compromise on nutrition or flavor. There are many delicious and protein-rich plant-based options to explore. For example, lentils and beans can be used in soups, stews, and salads. Tofu and tempeh are versatile soy products that can be grilled, stir-fried, or added to various dishes. Incorporating a variety of legumes, such as chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans, into your diet can provide ample protein and fiber. Nuts and seeds are also excellent protein sources. Consider adding chia seeds to smoothies, almonds to yogurt, or sunflower seeds to salads. Whole grains like quinoa, farro, and bulgur offer a good amount of protein and can be used as a base for bowls and salads. Additionally, exploring international cuisines such as Indian, Middle Eastern, and Mediterranean can introduce you to new and exciting plant-based dishes rich in protein. Balancing your meals with a combination of these plant-based proteins ensures you get all the essential amino acids your body needs. Step 4. Manage oxalate intake. Oxalates are naturally present in many healthy foods, including certain fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. While it's crucial not to follow an extremely low oxalate diet, you should choose low oxalate foods more often and consume smaller portions of high oxalate foods. High oxalate foods include almonds, beets, buckwheat, cocoa powder, chocolate, okra, oranges, potatoes, spinach, dates, figs, raspberries, rhubarb, walnuts, white beans, and quinoa. Balancing your diet with dairy foods can help reduce oxalate absorption. Managing oxalate intake involves making thoughtful food choices and balancing your meals. Start by familiarizing yourself with the oxalate content of various foods. Incorporate low oxalate foods like apples, grapes, cauliflower, green beans, and white rice into your meals more frequently. When consuming high oxalate foods, pair them with calcium-rich foods to help bind the oxalate in your gut and reduce absorption. For example, enjoy spinach with a serving of yogurt or add cheese to your salad containing beets. Cooking methods can also affect oxalate levels. Boiling vegetables like spinach and then discarding the water can reduce their oxalate content. Additionally, soaking nuts and grains before cooking can lower their oxalate levels. Be mindful of portion sizes, especially with high oxalate foods, and try to spread them out throughout the day instead of consuming large amounts at once. Keeping a food diary can help you track your oxalate intake and identify patterns that may contribute to stone formation. Consulting a dietitian can provide personalized guidance on managing oxalate intake while ensuring a balanced and nutritious diet. Step 5. Increase dietary calcium. Consuming adequate calcium can lower oxalate levels and prevent stone formation. Calcium binds with oxalate in the digestive tract, reducing oxalate absorption. Aim for 3 servings of dairy per day, such as 1 cup, 250 milliliters, of milk, 3/4 cup, 175 grams, of plain yogurt, or 50 grams, 1.5 ounces, of low-salt cheese. For those who are lactose intolerant, lactose-free dairy products or those made from sheep or goat milk are good alternatives. It is preferable to get calcium from food rather than supplements, as supplements can increase the risk of stones, especially when taken with vitamin D. Incorporating sufficient dietary calcium into your diet is crucial for both bone health and preventing kidney stones. If you cannot consume dairy products, other calcium-rich options include fortified plant-based milks like almond, soy, and rice milk. Leafy greens like kale, bok choy, and broccoli are excellent sources of calcium, as are tofu and tempeh made with calcium sulfate. Fish with edible bones, such as canned salmon and sardines, provide significant amounts of calcium. Nuts and seeds, particularly almonds and chia seeds, also contribute to your daily calcium intake. When planning meals, consider adding a calcium-rich food to each meal. For instance, enjoy a fortified plant-based milk smoothie for breakfast, a salad with kale and almonds for lunch, and a stir-fry with tofu and broccoli for dinner. Reading food labels can help you identify fortified products and track your calcium intake. If you struggle to meet your calcium needs through diet alone, consult your healthcare provider for advice on supplements. However, remember that obtaining calcium from food sources is generally more beneficial and poses fewer risks than supplements. Step 6. Consider your supplements. Avoid high doses of vitamin C, as it can be converted into oxalate in the body. If you are taking calcium supplements, do not take them with vitamin D supplements. Discuss all supplements with your doctor to ensure they do not increase your risk of kidney stones. When considering supplements, it's essential to evaluate your overall diet and health needs. While vitamins and minerals are crucial for health, taking them in excessive amounts can lead to adverse effects, including kidney stone formation. High doses of vitamin C supplements can be particularly problematic, as the body converts excess vitamin C into oxalate, increasing the risk of stones. If you need to take a calcium supplement, spacing it out from vitamin D can help manage absorption rates and reduce the likelihood of stone formation. Additionally, certain herbal supplements and over-the-counter medications may contain compounds that can influence stone risk, so always review these with your healthcare provider. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins typically provides the necessary nutrients without the need for high-dose supplements. If you are considering a new supplement or have concerns about your current regimen, a consultation with a dietitian or nephrologist can provide personalized guidance and ensure that your supplement use supports your overall health and kidney stone prevention efforts. Step 7. Monitor weight. Being overweight can increase the risk of kidney stones. Aim to maintain a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. For men, a waist circumference over 102 centimeters, 40 inches, and for women over 88 centimeters, 35 inches, indicates a higher risk. Maintaining a healthy weight involves more than just monitoring your waist circumference. It requires a holistic approach to lifestyle. Regular physical activity combined with a balanced diet plays a crucial role in weight management and overall health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, each week. Incorporate strength training exercises at least twice a week to build muscle and boost metabolism. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid highly processed foods, sugary beverages, and excessive portions. Practicing mindful eating, where you pay attention to hunger and fullness cues, can help prevent overeating. Regularly tracking your food intake and physical activity can provide insights into your habits and help you make necessary adjustments. If you struggle with weight management, consider seeking support from a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian who can offer personalized advice and strategies. Remember that weight loss should be gradual and sustainable. Aim for a realistic goal of losing 1 to 2 pounds per week. By adopting these healthy habits, you can reduce your risk of kidney stones and improve your overall well-being. In summary, to prevent calcium oxalate kidney stones, drink over 2.5 liters of water daily, preferably with lemon juice. Reduce sodium to less than 2,000 milligrams per day. Limit animal protein. Choose low oxalate foods. Include dairy with meals. Consult your doctor about supplements. Thank you all for taking the time to watch our video today. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to not miss out on similar content in the future. Share your thoughts in the comments section. We would love to hear from you. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.